Please subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button below, which is absolutely free, and hit the bell icon for new notifications. And if you are a return user and already subscribed my channel, then please don't hit the button again. Thank you.
Happy Republic Day guys, Anushka this side from Review 101 and welcome to my channel. So this video is Republic Day inspired makeup look and it's a very basic, very easy makeup look. So let's get started. So first thing is let me just tie my hairs. I have already moisturized my face and I'm using this Lakme Absolute Primer. I will describe everything in the description section, whatever product I am using. So I am taking a very little bit of this Lakme primer. This have a pink undertone in this. So this is the primer which I generally use for me. And I'll use the same primer for my eyelid as well. I'm using this LA Girl orange color corrector to correct my under eyes and the areas where I'm having this black. So I'm apply a little bit under my eyes. Now I'm taking this foundation brush. For foundation, I'm taking this TheBody Shop foundation in the shade Fiji Sand. And I'll take a few pumps of it. Now I'm taking my Pat Beauty blend with the help of this Kama Ayurveda rose water. I'll just make it a little bit damp. So now I'm taking this Maybelline Age Rewind just to highlight my under eyes and the other areas. So I'm applying it under my eyes. With this help of this same beauty blender, I'll blend it out. Now I'm taking my MAC Studio Fix to fix my to fix the areas where I applied my Maybelline concealer. So I'm taking this brush and I'm applying it under my eyes just to avoid the creasing. So now my base is done. I'm applying this Innisfree Green Tea Mineral Mist for this that dewy look, and just spray a little bit of it. And by using this same beauty blender, I will just dab it down. Now I'm taking this KIKO Milano Universal Stick Concealer in 08 for contouring or for bronzing. Now with the help of the same beauty blender, I'll blend it out. So for eyeshadow, I'm taking liquid liner and this is green in shade. It is so easy to apply and ultra pigmented. So I'm applying it over my eyes. So that's it, I have completed my eyeshadow. So I put this eyeshadow in random motion. I did not take it like very clear application. I did not apply it very clearly. I just apply it randomly so that like it won't look very mushy. So yeah, this is how it looks. Now I'm taking this Snowbell Bellavoste Intense Liner and Kajal for my lower waterline. So I will definitely coat one more time under my eyes. Now I'm taking this extra bitter from my Urban Decay Naked palette, from my Urban Decay Ultimate Basic palette, and I'll take this extra bitter color, which is sort of rusty shade, and I'll just smudge it under my eye lower waterline. So now to complete my eye look, I'll apply a little bit of mascara from this Lancome Hypnose mascara. my cheeks, I'm taking this. I'm not going for a blush. I'm taking this lipstick from Avon in the shade Peach Perfect. This is very floral lipstick. This is my favorite lipstick for the blush. So I'm using this for blush. Now to blend this, I'm taking this again, this PAC Beauty Blender to blend it. For powder contouring, I'm taking this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Contour in the shade Deep Profond 815. I'm taking the contour shade just for bronzing. Now I'm just taking this brush only, which I received in the palette, and I will contour a little bit of my nose. So for highlighter, I'm taking this ODBO Sweetheart highlighter in the shade 05, and I'm taking this silver color for highlighter, or probably I'll mix these three. So I'm taking a little bit of these colors and highlight it. For my brow bone highlighter, I'm taking this silver color and I will just apply it a little bit with my fingers only. For my lips, I took this L'Oreal color in the shade C511 Orange Power, and I'll apply this orange color. This is very like intense orange shade. Now I'm taking this beauty blender again and dab it over all my face, just so that everything will be in place and whatever I applied merge with each other's well. So I'm using this blender and just blend it a little bit. So now with this I completed my Republic Day look. So I'm back again, and this is the look which I created for a Republic Day inspired from our national flag, because I used all the green, white and orange color. That is why I call this look a Republic Day inspired look. Hope you like my video, and if you like it, please do subscribe my channel. For now, bye bye, take care, keep smiling, stay healthy.